and today I'm going to be making financiers. I think that's just a fancy French term for like a little cake. I love a little cake, or a lot of cake. These I'm going to make in a little mini muffin shape. And they're gonna just be like fun little bite-sized deliciousness to eat with your coffee or tea. This is a recipe I got from the Preppy Kitchen blog, food blog, recipe blog, whatever you call it. Let's try it out. So this recipe starts off with us browning some butter. And I suppose the flavor for this recipe, at least, I'm not sure, I haven't made any other financier recipes, but it sounds like the flavor for these comes from the browned butter. So this part is quite important. If you just use regular butter or softened butter, you're not going to get the right taste. There's just nothing quite like butter, you know? You can't really replace it with anything. It's one of my favorite substances. It's starting to smell really good. You hear that? Singing. My butter is singing. I feel like we need some popcorn right now to put under this butter. There, it's browning. Oh, okay. Taking it off the heat. It's getting a little too dark. And I'm going to pour it into a shallow pan so I can cool it off. Okay, now I'm going to pop this into the fridge to cool for a little bit while we get everything else together. Now we're going to put powdered sugar. I don't know if anyone else has a cat that chews plastic, but I feel for you. It's one of the weirdest things I've ever heard of, and I really don't care for it. Okay, now I need to add almond flour, a little bit of all-purpose flour, and it just has a pinch of salt. So, now my bowl's not big enough. I had this one out before, but it's too heavy to measure stuff in. My scale's too wimpy. One or the other, I don't know. I'm thinking I want to get the lumps out. I'm going to set that aside. And I need 4 egg whites. Put that over there. Oh, broke just at the right time. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of vanilla to my egg whites. I hope that my butter is cool enough now. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna make like a little divot in the middle. Being sure to get all that brown crusty goodness in there. You may not use brown and crusty in a sentence very often with the word goodness, but when we're talking about butter, brown and crusty is goodness. Adding my egg whites. And I'm going to mix it all up. So this is supposed to be thick. So we'll see how thick in just a moment. It's actually not thick at all, so yeah. I've got my little silicone mold. I don't know if I should grease this or not. I could do a light layer of Pam. It's quite a light layer, and I don't think a lot of it actually went in the cups, but it's okay, it's okay. Now we fill them. This is gonna take a long time. I think that one got overfilled. Hi, have you come to bake? Cool. Yeah. I love an assistant. Yeah. You were sleeping so peacefully on that chair over there. It looked really good. Was it good? Good. The recipe says you should probably put this in a pastry bag and pipe these. And I was going to, but then it's like such a thin batter that I was thinking maybe that's not a good idea, just run all over the place. But this is taking a while. Some almonds. I think I'm just gonna decorate the tops of these a little bit. Put a little almond chunk in there. Looks pretty. And our oven has been preheating to 350. Oops, things have been falling in here. That's gonna be a one with a lot of almond bits in it. So these are going in for 15 to 20 minutes. And we don't want to overbake because it could be dry. This is a much easier, faster recipe than things I've been making recently, which is a nice change of pace once in a while, you know. And I think if this works out well and they taste nice, then it'll be like a nice, like quick little thing you could just whip up without like, you know, taking too long. And you still have something kind of fancy or something that sounds kind of fancy. Boy. 16 and a half minutes, in case you're wondering. They're really cute. I like them a lot. I'm gonna try one with a lot of almonds on it. It's nice and soft, and it's perfectly.
It's perfect.
I put the almonds on the top, and it is a nice texture. I like it. But if you wanted to go just totally soft and pillowy, I would just leave it off. That's a really nice little cake. I like it a lot. I would make that for a dessert, for a snack. Just have. This minus the 2 that I just ate is 24 little cakes. Plus I have another 10 in the oven right now. So 35 cakes, 34 cakes. I'm bad at math. Okay, it's all right. You don't have to worry about it. Thanks, Preppy Kitchen, for the recommendation. This was great. I had fun. It was pretty quick. It was easy. We get a delicious treat at the end. It's definitely my kind of afternoon. And I will see you guys next time when I whisk up something else. All right? Bye, buddy. So it's nice and moist. 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 Just kidding. I put the That's just my ghost. That's good. It's real good. I'll fry back.